everybody, my name is Vinu Venkatesh and I'm back here again today to teach you English as part of the Sai Education group. So, we always use these words called the, a and an. What are they? They're articles like what we discussed last time, right? But there's more to it than what we did last time. So we're going to continue with that today. So this is lecture 34 part 2. So I think we can start. Alright, so we're continuing with articles and the rules for the articles that we were discussing last time. So what is the next rule? The next rule is called parallel construction. When we use comparative degree of adjectives like taller, more beautiful and so on in sentences such as shown below, then the article is used before the comparative degree. For example, the higher we go, the cooler we feel. This is called a parallel construction because the first part of the sentence is the same as the second part of the sentence, right? So here in such cases, right before the comparative degree of the adjective, we have to use the article the. The greater is the demand, the higher is the price. Again here two comparative degrees are used. So before each of the comparative degrees, you have to use the article the, which is called what? The definite article. Remember, indefinite versus definite. Okay, next rule. Article the is used before names of countries which are unions or republics, but the is not used before names of countries because these are proper nouns. Articles are generally not used before proper nouns. For example, the names of countries which are unions or republics, before them we have to use the article the. That's what this rule is saying, right? For example, the USA, the United States of America, the Republic of India, right? But if I simply say India, then I should not use the because India is a proper noun. As we have studied, we do not use the article the before proper nouns, okay? But there are exceptions to it. What are the exceptions? Like Netherlands is the name of a country. It is not a union or a republic, but still we have to use the before it, right? It is an exception. Same with West Indies. It is a proper noun and it is not a union or a republic, but still we got to use the before it. This is an exception to this particular rule, all right? Okay, so next rule applies to geographical directions. What does the rule say? The rule says that the article the is used before the 8 geographical directions. What are the 8 geographical directions? North, east, west, south, northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. So when we say northeast, we have to say the northeast, right? But the article the is not used before the geographical direction when it is used along with a place. For example, when we want to say East Boston, we simply say East Boston, right? We don't say the East Boston. Similarly, South India, we don't say the South India, it is South India. Similarly, South Asia, North Mumbai, North Uttar Pradesh, North Kashmir, North Kerala and so on, right? But when the directions are used in this form, where we say Eastern Boston or Eastern part of Boston, then the is used before such a pattern. The Eastern Boston or the Eastern part of Boston, the Western part of India and so on, all right? Very simple rules, you'll just have to memorize these. Now, the is used, next rule applies to mountain ranges. The is used before names of mountain ranges, but the is not used before a single mountain. For example, we can say the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes, the Himalayan range, etc. Why? Because they are mountain ranges, but we cannot say the Mount Everest. We have to say Mount Everest is the tallest peak in the world, right? So we can use the before mountain ranges, but we cannot use the before the names of single or standalone mountains or hills, okay? Now the is used, the next rule says that the is used before holy scriptures or books such as the Bible, the Gita, the Quran, the Rig Veda, etc. But no article can be used before author name and also when the author's name is used along with the book name. For example, look at the sentence, the Ramayana was written by Valmiki. We can use the before Ramayana because it's a holy scripture, it's a holy book. but we cannot use the before Valmiki because it's the name of the author. It is a proper noun, and again we do not use the before proper nouns in general. Similarly, when we say Valmiki's Ramayana, that is the name of the author and his or her book, we do not use the before such a phrase. We never say the Valmiki's Ramayana, it is Valmiki's Ramayana. Again, because Valmiki is a proper noun, and generally we do not use the before a proper noun. Alright, the next rule says that we can use the before names of newspapers such as the Times of India, the Hindu, the Wall Street Journal, the Economic Times, and so on. Okay. Similarly, the is also used before names of seas, oceans, rivers, bays, deserts, and gulfs. That is all naturally occurring, formations or structures, right? For example, the Bay of Bengal, the Ganges, the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Sahara Desert, and so on. However, the is not used before geographic formations which are named as follows: Hudson's Bay, etc. So whenever there is a geographic formation which is named after a person in such a way that it carries the person's name in the possessive form, and then the geographic formation, we do not use the before it, because it is like what I explained that about proper nouns. We generally don't use proper nouns before we generally don't use articles before proper nouns. So when I say Hudson's Bay, it is like saying this bay belongs to Hudson, because Hudson's is a possessive, shows ownership by Hudson. So Hudson is a proper noun, and before that we don't generally use the. It's like saying Valmiki's Ramayana, same thing, similar concept. Alright, so if you're just given a geographical formation which doesn't have this kind of a name, then you can use the before it. If it has this kind of a formation, we cannot use the before it. For example, we can say the Thar Desert, right? I can't think of any mountain as such or any other formation. Anyway, we'll if I come to know, I'll definitely share it with you. All right, again, next rule. We can use the before historical buildings such as the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Statue of Liberty, the White House, and so on. All right. So because these are specific things, specific buildings and so on. So this is a reference for the notes or the lecture that we had just now. You can always check it out and get more familiar with things. But as of now, this is it from me regarding articles. So with this, we have completed the articles topic. I hope things have been clear. I know that there are a lot of rules to memorize, but hey, we don't have a choice but to do just that, right? So happy studying, wish you all the best, and see you again next time. Ciao.